everyone, welcome back to Socially Connected. My name is Himesha. Today I'm going to make pasta. Now I haven't made pasta before, this is my first time, so I did a lot of research before I started. I'll let you know a couple of things I learned, that you can make pasta from normal bread flour or wheat flour or all-purpose flour, but it's best if you can find 00 or 0 grade flour. Now I bought this one from Waitrose. The 00 grade means it's super fine and it's low on protein and gluten, so it's better for making pasta. Also, a lot of recipes I checked, they say use 5 eggs for 500 grams of flour. It looks a lot, so I'm going to just use 200 grams of flour and 2 eggs. So shall we start? I'm excited to open this and feel the super fineness of this flour, because normally bread flour or all-purpose flour is really fine. You know, I can't imagine how something can be finer. I don't know, I don't feel finer. It feels like normal flour, but it must be finer. Right, so let's get 200 grams. There you go. So you need flour for dusting as well. So nearly all of them need their dough on the worktop, so I'm going to do the same. So make a little well. So one thing to remember is you don't put salt . No, put salt when you cook the pasta. Right, so now you kind of beat the eggs in the middle and start incorporating flour as you do it. And also, if it feels quite dry, add some water, they say. So let's see how mine goes. Right, I think I'm going to get dirty now. Put this away. Oh, oops. Gosh. I don't think I need to add water. I think it's sticky enough. I feel, you know, I don't feel like it's dry and hard to knead. Because those eggs were quite large. It's like going to the gym. You know, the videos I watch, their doughs are really yellow and mine is not. Mine is quite whitish, like off-white, not really yellow. Okay, now something I learned from the experts is it's not like kneading a bread. It's not like pull it and like fold it in half. It's like a little bit from the corner, fold it, turn it, little bit, you know, little bit. It's all done. Looks like a nice smooth dough. Now what they say is cover it in cling film. I don't use cling film, so I don't have any cling film. I just dampened a tissue, kitchen towel. Oh, they said put some flour so it doesn't stick. Over here as well. And I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes now. Right, it's been half an hour and now we are ready to make pasta sheets, and Selena is here because she wanted to be a part of making sheets and playing with the machine. Now I bought this machine, it's new, it's a manual machine that you make the sheets by hand, where you can also get electric ones. Or if you don't have a machine, you can just use a rolling pin, it's absolutely fine. Now I also got these tools. So this one is a block with ridges to make different shapes, and a dowel to again make like different shapes. We'll have a look at them. Right, let's have a look at the dough. Right, it's all good. So if I made a dough with 500 grams of flour, I would have cut it in half because it would have been too big to go through the machine. So what you're supposed to do is just sprinkle some flour and put the dough. There's always lots of sprinkling. Sorry, my kitchen is okay. This machine, if this machine was, you know, other way around, it would have been better, but it's a bit awkward the way it is. I hope you can see. Yes, you can see. So basically, you might have, actually I might have to cut it in half. Right, I'm going to cut it in half.
Can I?
It felt quite hard. Okay, one of them said actually there should be holes after half an hour. And there are holes. Can you see here? Like air pockets? There you go. So it is good. It's worked. Right, we're going to put this back in the thing because otherwise it dries out.
The inside feels weird.
Yeah, it looks like cheese, doesn't it? It's so exciting. So we can actually put it through this thing here. So there are settings here. So we are doing the thickest setting first, which is 0, and it comes out like that. So we put it to number 1 now, so it's going to be thinner. Right, let's put it to number 2 now. We're going to go to number 3 now. So it will be even thinner and longer. Look at that!
It's a snake.
Yeah, okay, so. Right, I think it's too long for us to handle now, so I'm going to cut it in half. And we're going to go to number 5 now. Right, hang on, I'm going to change it to number 6 now. Yeah. 6 is the number for making pasta. Oh, it's really thin now. Right, see? So if you do this, your fingers kind of come out, like you can see. So that's the thickness you want. If you do it with a rolling pin, now you know that's the thickness you need. We are going to use this side and cut strips. Yeah, so we got to put this in here. Let's run this. Okay.
Yay.
Right. So this is going to cut.
We're on number 6 now.
No, leave it because we get the thing. Okay, wait. We put this. And we do this, okay?
Just hold it with that.
There you go. Look at that.
Wait, Mummy. Which one in? Oh, we did leave a lump, Mummy. We did leave a lump. Mum, we did leave a lump to make shape.
Oh yes, we did. Look at that. Selena, do you like that shape? We're going to make another shape now. You use one of these as well. So you fold it up and you really push it. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Love that shape. That's like proper pasta, this one. Ah! Dropped it. Look. This one is like proper pasta. Look at that. And I like that shape, the size, I like that size. I also bought this tool, which I forgot to show you before. It cuts zigzag. Yeah, it's not great, but that's okay. So you fold it and then fold it up and then pinch it. There you go. Great! So also you can make pasta nests like that. I think we should try this setting here. This one, this really fine one. I'm just going to put a little piece to see how it comes out. Oh, look at that! Isn't that great? You put this like that. And this like that. Look at that! So from the dough, you break off a piece and then you roll it, get long. So you get this and you do. Make it like half the size. You make it like that. That's also a type of pasta. Alright then, we tried the pasta dough, it was successful. We tried the pasta machine, it was successful. And we tried different shapes of pasta. They all have different names. I'm sorry I don't know them. I will find out. You know, most of them were successful apart from one. Is this one, it didn't stay that shape when I twisted them. I have to find out why is that. But you saw that how easy it was. I was worried about the sizes of the eggs, the temperature of the eggs, the type of flour, but it's not as, you know, difficult as some of them make it sound like. It's easy. So try it. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. Try it with a small amount like I did, just 200 grams of flour. Don't go for 500 grams the first time, and try it. And you know, it's easier to buy pasta, of course, but this is much more fun. So maybe not for everyday use or weekly use, but once in a while, maybe for a birthday dinner, anniversary dinner, or for a date night, you could, you know, make this yourself, and I'm sure it would taste so much better. I can't wait till I try this for dinner, and I hope you try this and you realize it's not so difficult and it's much more fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I cannot say, it's like making a piece of art, really. I'm going to do this all the time from now on and play with the machine. The machine is, the brand is called Marketo Atlas 150. It's not sponsored or anything. Just that's what I bought. It's a manual one, it's not an electric one. So good, it's so good. And now I hope you got an idea how it went down. So I hope you realize this is such a fun thing to do, and I hope you have a go as well. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video and comment. Let us know what you think about this video, and share on social media. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel if you already haven't, and I will see you soon with another fun video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Selena!
Yummy, yummy.
Have a taste and tell me. You made some of these, didn't you? Tasty? Can I taste one? Oh my god, that's so good. Much better than shop bought ones, aren't they? You are enjoying it, aren't you?